A coverage recipe is like a secret weapon for storytelling. It's a way to ensure your content captivates, informs, and leaves a lasting impact. Yet, so many people overlook it, producing stories that get skipped after 15 seconds. The first step in crafting a coverage recipe is defining your goal. Why are you telling this story? What do you want the audience to feel, learn, or do next? Without a clear goal, even the best material can fall flat. Pain point. People waste hours editing videos or writing content that doesn't deliver. A coverage recipe solves that by structuring your content up front so you don't spend half your time guessing what to keep versus cut. Start by listing all the elements you want to cover in your story. Think characters, settings, key messages, and emotions. Each of these is like an ingredient in your recipe. The clearer these are, the better your end product. Pro tip: aim for variety. If every scene or moment in your content feels the same, the audience will get bored, or worse, click away. Think of coverage elements as different spices that keep things interesting. Once you've listed your elements, storyboard how they'll flow. This doesn't have to be fancy. Even stick figures work. You're just mapping out how one idea or scene transitions to the next. This eliminates confusion later. At this stage, don't worry if your outline looks clunky or incomplete. Coverage recipes are about iteration. Start shaping the big rocks first. Those key moments or points that absolutely need to stand out. Pain point. Lots of creators rush to record or write without a plan, then wonder why their drafts feel disjointed. Spending 20 minutes solidifying your coverage recipe can save you 5 hours of frustration during revisions. Think of pacing as the unsung hero of your coverage recipe. Do you want a fast, punchy start? Where should quieter, reflective moments live? Varying pacing is a cheat code for keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. Pro tip: inject numbers or hard data when possible. Viewers love specifics, 50% more than vague generalities. See what I did there? Numbers create authority and make your storytelling feel grounded and memorable. As you begin executing your coverage recipe, stay flexible. Maybe a scene or point feels unnecessary when you see it play out. Don't force it. Like with cooking, sometimes less is more, and simplicity lets your main flavors shine. A solid coverage recipe isn't the end. It's a repeatable process. Each project you do, refine your approach. Maybe you'll discover new ingredients that elevate everything. And when it comes together perfectly, your audience won't just notice, they'll keep coming back for more.